ST speed or light speed installation into a Bauer light speed holder. The difference being from the first presentation, we will not have the assistance of a vise, so we're going to do it more like a possibly a skater himself would do it. It is not in a workshop. So we'll start by, let's do this. This is the newest version of the ST Speed steel with a centerline, profile centerline mark, along with the grip claw teeth. Again, these help prevent the sponginess that the standard Bauer steel produces. So we'll start by pulling the insole. Next we have to pull the plastic plug that covers up the attachment hardware. So once we pull that out, we've now exposed the nut that holds the runner in the skate. This is our 5/16 or 8mm nut driver. Longer is better, makes it easier to use. We'll just undo that nut and hope that the nut stays in the nut driver. If it doesn't, no need to panic, just shake the skate. Oh, there we go, there's the nut. So we need to drive, as you can see by the hook on the front of the steel, we need to drive the steel forward to get it to release from the holder. So what I'll do is I'll just hit the steel on the bench on the heel, and at the same time I'm pulling the blade away from the holder, and then it will release, and there we have the hardware that holds the steel into the holder. We'll put that aside. It's easiest without the use of a vise to do this upside down. So first you'll want to put the hardware into the runner, and then line the runner, the hook, and the screw up together. Once you have it in the holder, it's a good idea to now hit it at the front to drive the steel back into the holder. And again, with the grip claw, it's also a good idea to hit the steel up or the boot down onto the grip claw so that it engages. And then we'll just put the nut back in the nut driver, turn the skate upside down, spin the nut back on. Remember, you're tightening against plastic, so you don't need to over tighten that. You can tell that you're hitting the nylon and the lock nut because you feel a little more resistance as you're turning it. Next we will reinstall the plug and the footbed, and there you have it. Installation complete.